In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OTP verification in Zoho Mail. Now, in this digital age, security is indeed a priority, and two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA, has become a common method to ensure the safety of our online activities. However, there may be situations where you find it necessary to turn off this feature, maybe for convenience or another reason unique to your situation. So, let's walk you through the process of disabling that extra layer of security, step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho accounts. This is where everything begins. If you're already familiar with this platform, this part should be straightforward. Just use your credentials and access your account, and once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Security tab. Alternatively, you can click on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of your dashboard, and from there, select My Account. This will bring you to a page with various options, but today, our focus is on security. Once you're in the correct section, look for the option that says Two-Factor Authentication. This section is crucial because it's where you manage everything related to 2FA. Now, you'll likely see the current method you have set up for your two-factor authentication. It could be OTP via email, perhaps through SMS, or even using an authenticator app. It doesn't matter which method you're currently using. The steps to disable it are universal. After identifying your current 2FA mode, you'll need to click on an option that lets you disable two-factor authentication or simply turn off this feature. It's important to note that disabling 2FA will make your account prone to simpler intrusion methods, so ensure you're doing this with a well-thought-out plan for your account's continued security. After taking this step, the system will require that you confirm your identity. This might mean entering the current OTP one last time. It's a simple verification process, but crucial to ensure that it's you making this adjustment and not someone else who's gained unauthorized access. And there you go. Once you've confirmed and completed these steps, your Zoho Mail account will no longer require OTP verification for authentication. Remember, if you ever feel the need to enhance your account security again, reversing this process is just as simple. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you in customizing your Zoho Mail security settings to better fit your needs. Please feel free to reach out with comments or questions. Stay secure, and see you next time.